Although the company has made it like this, we will make a little modification in it. After 15 minutes, this unit used to turn off, but now it is working properly. And you can see that it has been installed in a lot of sunlight, so it has been covered with shade. But even then, look, I will show you. At this time, its cooling is coming very good. And you heard the sound that its compressor is working. And this compressor works for 15 minutes, and after that, the system trips. Now, this is a higher unit. This is non-inverter, and now, what is the fault in it? Its compressor is heating up and turning off. But its fan is working properly, but it is heating up too much. Look at its body, it is heating up too much. I cannot put my hand on it at this time. From here, and look, this position from here, it is heating up too much. So because of this problem is coming. And look, I will show you that its wind system is working in a very strange way. Now, we had made a video for this, but technically that video got deleted. So that is why I will explain it to you with animation. Normally, what happens is that when the unit runs, its fan, the outdoor fan, removes the inside heat. Whatever heat is being created in the gas because of pressure directly, and the air blow goes toward the outside. So when it goes toward the outside, what happens is that the unit gives good performance. But now what is happening here is that the air circulation is happening inside only. And because of that, this system is getting fully hot, and the system turns off after 15 minutes. Now look, its condenser is heating up quite a lot because of this. Look from the top, it is heating up too much. Because it is heating up from here, what is happening is that load is coming on the compressor. So because of this, I think this problem is coming. Look, the whole condenser is heating up completely and it has gone above its temperature. Now this compressor is working properly, but heat, look, the cooling is coming excellent. Since it has just started, its return is not that good and it is turned off. Look, now it has turned off. The compressor has turned off, look, and look at the fan. It is working. So if the fan is working, it means that the compressor from inside, its thermostat is tripping. Now here, look, this is its system. And if we look at the fan, we observe it. Look, the fan is almost inside. Completely all of it is inside, because of which the air is not able to come outside. So the company has made it like this. But we will make a little modification in it, and we will try that its airflow comes toward the outside. Now I have turned this unit off again, and turned it on again, because I want to see the direction of this fan. Which side it is moving toward. If its direction is wrong, then it can still cause this problem. So normally its direction should be, look, the right side. It should run toward this side. So if it runs toward the right side, then it is okay. And look, the fan direction is completely okay. There is no issue in it. And look, the air is not being sucked right now. Rather, when I open this cover, the air started coming toward the front. Look, now it is coming toward this side. But it is not coming from the front, but it is coming from here. Now it is coming toward the outside. Now look from the side. There is completely no air. Now it is going toward the outside. Now there is a little difference in it. Now this air has started coming toward the front. Opening the cover has made this difference. But this is not proper yet. Now we will try to take this fan little outside and we will see whether our fan works properly or not. We will centralize it. Yes, this is much better here. Look, it has come. Now for this, we will see further whether the position goes toward the outside or not. We will try that the more the fan comes outside, the better it will become. Now here. Look, I have found its center. This center point of this hole, here I have brought it to the center. Now here, the hole that was installed, look, this is also its center point. So we have matched both of them. After matching both of them, and look, I had already marked from the sides that they should come to this position. So look, our center is very important because the more it is in the center, the better it will work. And I think my position has come completely correct. There was not that much issue in it. I have done it manually, but it is completely okay. Now here I will make the hole. After making the hole, we will adjust it. Now we have moved the fan of this unit quite forward. And if I show you from the front, it has come out in the front like this. Now in this situation, it is becoming a little difficult for it to rotate. So we will make a few adjustments to it so that this fan rotates properly here. We will have to make some compromises here, then it will work properly. Now look, I had marked here. So we will reduce this fan from here. So for this, look, I have made a little size here. So through this, we will reduce it. Now, here our work is almost finished. So look, this fan. First of all, I will show you that here it is moving completely freely. This is the first thing. The second thing, I have moved it quite far outside from the condenser. If I show from here, then look, this. It has come up to here. So I also cut this grill you saw, and I have brought it completely outside. Okay? Now what it will do is that it will suck the air from inside and try to throw it toward the outside, and we will see whether we have succeeded in this strategy or not. Now look, its air blow is coming toward this side, and look, I can clearly feel it, and I will show you this thing as well. Look at this. The blow is now coming here. Now look, toward the upper side, the air is not coming upward. Look at this, there is no air upward at all. Rather, look, it is pulling upward from here. It is pulling toward here. Now it is coming toward here. It is not coming toward here. Look upward. Upward it is not moving at all, not even a little. When we do it here, it moves. Now the airflow has gone toward this side. So like this, I hope that now it will start giving better performance. Now let's see whether this fan is properly sucking from here or not. So for this, we will again do the same test with this plastic polythene. So look, when we did the plastic polythene, look, the whole plastic polythene has completely attached to it. It is completely stuck to it. Now I remove it. Look, when I remove it with force, then it comes off. As soon as I do it, it will stick with it. So this means that here the sucking is also happening very well. After 15 minutes, this unit is to turn off, but now it is working properly. And here we will check its amperes. So it is working at around 8.15 amperes right now, and it is working completely properly. And if you look at it, look, the cooling is also coming good, and its return is also coming good. Both are perfect. And when the return comes good, then the unit works completely properly.
Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.